This home resistance training kit from MBEAU feels solidly built, with thick webbing, dense stitching, and metal hardware that inspires confidence during demanding bodyweight exercises. The textured rubber handles are comfortable and non-slip, so even during sweaty sessions, you can maintain a secure grip without hand fatigue. With adjustable straps that reach a generous exercise length, it is easy to set up full-body movements for arms, legs, and core, whether you are a beginner or more advanced. The included door anchor and extension strap make it simple to mount the system on doors, beams, or sturdy outdoor structures, turning almost any space into a functional training area. Despite offering a wide range of strength and stability exercises, the components pack down into the drawstring travel bag, making it very convenient for small homes or travel workouts. The addition of a basic training guide helps new users get started quickly and safely, while still leaving plenty of room to progress into more challenging routines.